Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to buy Loop tokens on MEXC Global. Loop Finance is a suite of products built on the Terra blockchain from DeFi to find NFTs with real utility, real governance, and real rewards. The Loop token is Loop Finance's native governance token of its decentralized exchange. Now let me show you how to buy Loop tokens on MEXC Global. By the way, if you haven't signed up on MEXC Global, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get up to 1,000 USDT beginner's reward to claim. Alright, let's get to the video. Open your MEX app and make sure you have USDT on your account. To buy Loop tokens, go to the Markets tab. Here you search for Loop USDT pairs. MEXC Global offers futures and spot trading for Loop tokens. For this video, we will use spot trading to purchase Loop tokens. So you choose Loop USDT. Tap on the buy button here. Make sure you are on the spot and buy tab. Keep it under limit order to set the buy price you want, though you can use market order to buy Loop tokens immediately using the best current market price. This red section shows the sell orders, and the green section shows the buy orders. The middle part is the token current market price. Input the buy price. And here's the amount of tokens you want to get. Input here the total USDT you want to use. Let me put $10. Once all is set, you tap Buy Loop. Your buy order will usually show under Open Orders. To cancel your buy order, just tap Cancel here. To check your trade history, you tap this icon. Here you see order history and trade history. That's how you buy Loop tokens on MEXC app. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.